Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Well, in this very video we are going to be adding functionality to our registration form. So as you can see, my codes are still very much the same, except that I just added ID to enable jQuery to identify the input fields. So you can see the ID for the first name, I gave that as F name. The one for the last name, I gave that as L name. Then the one for the email, I gave as email. The one for password, I just gave it as password. Then I gave the sign up button ID of register. So let's just go ahead and one more thing I did is I included the link to the jQuery file here and the link to my script.js file. That's just all, no new thing. So let's just go ahead and write the codes for the addition of the functionality. So we're going to create F name, L name, email here, password, and then action. We're needing action here. So I'm not pretty good at coding and talking at the same time, so I don't know, maybe I'm going to take my time to explain the video at a later time. So F name was let's see #F name .val, then just copy that, that's all we need to do. Then L name here, just change it to L name, which is the last name. Then email here, change this also to email.value, and then password. We are not going to be doing any whether verification of data and all that this time around. We're just going to be going straight to the tutorial. So inside action, let's just create the action as sign user up. So that is just the name of the action. So to further verify that we have all the data in place, let's just go ahead and alert them. Let's just say alert F name. So you are going to see a window pop up with all the data. So alert email also plus password, then space plus action. So let's just go ahead and refresh. So let's just see mark here Dozie, then email, then password. Okay, you can see we've got everything in place. So let's now go ahead and comment out this line here. So let's now use our jQuery Ajax function to we are supposed to be doing form validation, but this time around we won't be doing any form of form validation. We are just trying to keep everything simple. Maybe I'm going to do another tutorial for standard form validation using both jQuery and JavaScript and PHP and all that. So we are going to first URL. We're going to create let's just say server.php. I've not created this just yet. Then type or method, we're going to be using post, and then data. We're going to just success function here. Let's say response function response, and that's it for that. That's it for that. Then here we're just going to pass all these. We're going to pass everything here right into the data field. So what we need to do is this, just replace it with a colon and then comma, copy L name also, cut it, replace it with a colon and a comma also at the end of it. Do same for email, colon and then email with a comma, then do same for password, colon password, then do same for action. The screen recorder I'm using allows me to make just 10 minutes of the video. So once we get to 10 minutes, I'll have to cut the video into another part where we are going to be completing it. Meanwhile, let's just go ahead. We have just about 4 minutes more to complete this video. So let's just create some if else statements so that we know. Okay, I think we just need 3. So if response, so if the response passed to us from our server equals to done, then let's just alert you have signed up successfully. You have signed up successfully. That's if we get done as a response. So if we get failed as a response, then we know that something went wrong from our own end. So sorry, something went wrong. So else, in some cases servers might run into errors that might not necessarily be from us. So in this one, we are just going to handle it by telling it to alert the response it gets. So let's just go ahead and refresh. Definitely we do not yet have the server, but I'm just going to fill in all the details, and let's see. And definitely we are not supposed to get any response at all because I've not created the page just yet. So I'm going to go ahead and be ending this video right here. But before I end it, let me show you. This is the database table where all the informations we are going to be typing will land. You can see them here. They are going to be dropped here. The first name will be dropped here, last name here, email here, password just here, plain pass here, and the time this account was created with the profile image. So I'll end this video right here so that we are just going to go ahead and build this this server.php file and then do the actual registration. Thank you for watching.